Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. Friends, TCS is hiring through CodeVita, and here you will be getting Ninja Digital and Prime job role based on the rank which you get in TCS CodeVita. For Ninja, the salary package offered here is 3.6 LPA. For Digital, 7 LPA, and for Prime it will be 9 lakhs per annum. I will give you the complete details in this video. TCS CodeVita season 13. Before that, friends, I want all of you to please do subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like the video. See, once you get a job, no, then you don't need this channel, I'm telling you. But right now, getting a job for you is our priority, okay, and we are doing whatever it is possible. So this is basically TCS CodeVita season 13 and the registration is open. I will tell you how to register, but before that we will see this LinkedIn post definitely from the region head. Okay, so I am thrilled to announce the launch of the latest season of Tata Consultancy Services CodeVita season 13, the world's largest coding competition where young coders across the globe via for the title of the world best coder. The 13th season of the TCS CodeVita promotes the visionary theme Code for Impact, which encourages the positive impact of coding by bringing together programmers from various background, skills and motivations. So basically this particular, right, so the CodeVita season 13 hiring is for 2026, 2027, 2028 and 2029. Friends, one thing I want to tell you, right, see, as you know, your TCS NQT crash course, right, so TCS NQT for the 2026 batch will be also getting conducted is somewhere in the October, right? So if you are preparing, you have to start now only. So TCS NQT crash course is definitely going to help you out. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, you can apply for both CodeVita and you can apply for this TCS free NQT hiring, which will be coming in October. But if you really want to crack, see, many of the students have already started receiving the results, right? So here you could see, if you go down in the post, so Sai Ram Lokesh, so he has received the offer in TCS Digital from the batch of 2025. I'll make one separate video for other things, right? Okay, now, so in this TCS CodeVita, so 2026 batch, 2027 batch, 2028 batch and 2029 batch are basically eligible. Okay, so 6 hours to prove your metal and USD, so $20,000 prize money and #1 global ranking list of the top coders. So decode the world of programming excitement with CodeVita, launched in, so from 2012 it started, and every year from this TCS CodeVita, so they hire good candidate for a Ninja Digital and Prime role. Okay, so in my next video, so which I might upload tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so I will tell you what exactly, see, only coding questions will be asked in your TCS CodeVita exam. So probably one complete video I'll upload where what kind of questions you need to prepare. Anyway, they have also given the sample question here. So studying in any stream of science or engineering, okay, a student currently pursuing graduation or post graduation, so BE, BTech, ME, MTech, right? And if we'll talk about science, so MSc are eligible. Okay, expecting to complete their courses in the year of 26, 27, 28 or 29 from any recognized institute across the globe. The journey of the 1,000 miles begins with one step. So your registrations will start here, right? So to get started, click on the register button. Mock vitas are the just like actual rounds to give demo. So you will be also getting like the demo question, sample question rounds. Clear the actual round to move further in your CodeVita journey. Finale, so win prize money and prove that you are the best coder. Okay, so and then see, through CodeVita, once you take part in this particular coding, that 6 hours of the test, so there will be 3 questions. Okay, so actually I'll give you the complete detail. Even for me also it's little bit kind of I need to check back. Okay, so based on how many questions you are able to solve in that 6 hours, right, based on that they will decide you will be called for digital or prime role of the interviews. Okay, problem description, so here they have given on a cube, so sample questions. So then sorting boxes, okay, sorting boxes, sport stadium, water systems, square free number. So this kind of questions will be there, so that you can, so basically DSA, so they will be asking DSA in this particular things. And then we will be having this FAQs. So if you go down here, so you can see all the FAQs. Anyway, now for registration, what we need to do is, so if you go on the top, okay, so let's see register, click on register. And then if you are a new user, then click on register here. Okay, select your country or region. So from here you will be TCS next step portal is down, which you already know. So GHI. Okay, chalo bhai, India, where is India? So India. Okay, so first name, last name, all those things you need to provide. So here I will just write Pratik. Okay, last name Kumar, email ID, email policy is there. So Pratik Kumar. Okay, and then let me bring this part here. Come here. Okay, then where is the keyboard? Okay, so Pratik Kumar dot 125 at gmail.com. okay, username, so I'll just write, okay, so Pratik KU, okay, or Pratik KU. Okay, and then I consent. Okay, I agree. Chalo bhai, what is the problem? Okay, so I think you need to click over here, you need to read this. Okay, you need to accept it, and then you have to click on register. Okay, so page has expired. Okay, so actually it was open from some time, so again you need to start. So username or email ID, okay, correct. Okay, so now I think we can sign in. Okay, so we'll have to see if we have received the email or not. So let me see if any email is received or not. Otherwise, I have received it. Okay, so dear participant, thank you for registering with TCS CodeVita. Wish you all the best. Request you to verify your email address. So I need to verify the email address from the email. Okay, so confirm validity of the address. Okay, so confirm, click here to proceed. So this you will be getting in the email. So your email address has been verified. So if you come back and then if you try to register, you will be able to see that email ID is verified. Okay, so sign in. Okay, and then you need to set up mobile authenticator. So you have to set up this mobile authenticator and all, and then you have to proceed. So this was the hiring which I wanted to talk about. So once again friends, so this is a good hiring, and I will bring one more video on TCS CodeVita, the number of questions, anyway, if some more information regarding marks and all those things. So one video I'll bring it. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best.